I will show you how to turn vector shapes into 3D in Blender. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. First, let's say you have this vector shape. Don't forget to trace it and convert it by expanding it. Save as SVG or scalable vector graphic. Now go to Blender, delete the square, import the SVG file from here. It's kinda small, but that's not the problem. Right click, set the geometry to origin and adjust its position. Change the extrude and geometry, so the vector would be way thicker. Again, right click, convert it to mesh. But as you can see, the topology are still messy. So the solution is go to modifier, remesh, and decrease the voxel until the shapes reform. Okay, now we have the vector turned into 3D object with a proper topology. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you!